There wasn't a whole lot going on in Wichita when I graduated from high school. My friends who had stayed in Wichita had told me that it was getting cooler, and I didn't believe them. When I heard that Wichita had gotten food trucks and street art and breweries, those were some of the things that led me to believe that it had changed since I had left. Wichita has always been a place to start a business, but I had always thought of your traditional businesses, and I had started to see some more unique businesses opening here. I thought, wouldn't it be great if there was a space that was light and bright and beautiful and inspiring, and what if it was women-focused? I went home that night and I did all the branding. I started this Facebook group. By the end of the month, I had 100 women in the group who were saying, when are you gonna open this space? Let's get moving on this. I pitched it to a group of local women and everybody was like, yes, yes, oh my gosh, yes, I would totally join that. And we were all like, what?
Like, not only did she take the initiative to just make it happen and do her research, and it was just amazing how quickly she was able to execute it.
From idea to opening doors, it was 4 months. The Hive actually stands for healthy, inspired, valued, and empowered. Those are some of the values that we really try to put forth in the community.
Not only is it a great place for women, it's the place for women in Wichita to be.
My first impression of Andrea was just how phenomenal she is. She advocates for women in the community, and being a part of that is really rewarding.
And I think she's a great mentor. She is someone that will walk next to you and lead you with building a business.
I've moved a lot of times in my life, and every single time it took me at least a year to really build a community where I felt loved and supported and encouraged. And so my gift to Wichita is the Hive. It's a space where you can come into and immediately tap into a community of 200 women who are going to support you and encourage you.
Andrea is always looking for a way to get involved in the community, but in a way that's meaningful. She not only does so individually through her own entrepreneurial spirit, but also helping others who are in similar shoes that she was a few years ago, getting their businesses off the ground.
She's provided an incredible community, specifically women entrepreneurs, to feel like they have a space where they can interact with like-minded people and, exchange ideas and really inspire each other to build each other up.
Wichita is such a great place because you can very quickly be somebody. Wichita is really passionate about involving their young people and the entrepreneurs in their community, because we have always been such an entrepreneurial community. I think that one of the reasons people become pilots is because they want to do things their own way. When you're in the air, there's nobody close to you at all. You're very far away from everybody else. It's just a really beautiful feeling that you've done this yourself. And that's how it is when you're an entrepreneur. You're in full control of this. I think that as a whole, we all then build that energy into the community of Wichita, and Wichita gets to be an even better place.